Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is Michael Venezia. I'm the head trader at Tradeview Markets, and this is Power Hour. Let's log in. Screen share. Great participation. Lewis, well done. Great stock selection, man. And you know what, Lewis? I'm going to bring something up. It's not what you're saying. It's what you're not saying. Mike, the CRWB going to be shortable. We're trying to pick the top on planet here. I get it. I'm looking at it too. But it's the questions what you're asking, what you're not asking. It's not the questions you are asking. Well done. And it's the type of market to ask those questions. Earnings after the close or before the open. GameStop, GTLB, Chewy, Play, Stitch Fix. I actually got a small interest in this. It's a Stitch Fix. Okay, here we go. What is this thing? IWM's got more. I've been saying that the whole freaking week. Nobody listened to me. Market just fucking took off. Oh, God. It's a bad trade. Okay. Let's go right here. A couple of things I want to say before the market rips. Still. Top left, stocks breaking higher. Okay. Let me bring up some things. It's a thought, and it's not, I can't take credit for it. Tesla, what a hell of a freaking follow through, huh? That worked. Reversal right through the 200-day with volume, follow through. CEG had some real good news today. The hottest, this stock was the one that lit everything up. That had good news. It's reacting poorly. Netflix, by the way, was number one on the way up. CPI tomorrow. You know what it says? This feels like a Friday at 3 o'clock. Coach Dale Pinkert, always in the back of my mind. Chop. What is this? 3:05 Eastern? 3:10 Eastern? Until tomorrow, to CPI tomorrow? You're probably not going to make it the next hour or so. So probably have a better chance of losing something. Tread lightly. CPI, Netflix, crude oil, by the way, had a huge move down today. This could be I want Coach's opinion on this. This feels like a Tesla kind of situation where it retook it the 200-day. I think this, you know what? This crude, if it goes back up, Exxon, Chevron, Halliburton, Schlumberger. Please go to yesterday's Power Hour. I go, well, if they're really buying everything, they buy the OIH. That worked, if you will. Stocks that have been taking calls for some time that actually came to fruition. Let's go through a couple of them. And I'm not going to show the main screen because I don't want to get distracted. Okay, let's go through a couple of them. Frog, all the animals. You know what? The market is going up. MP reversed. CCJ did not work. Down $4 now. And I did short SMR at the top. Very advanced. Real nice trade, Mike V. And I short a lot of it. I'm not going to lie. Where are my trades? Show executions. Looks like I'm a fucking machine gun. I went to, you know what I went? The stock went from, here it is, smart. And I was looking for that proverbial, head and shoulders, and I still wanted to start right there at that block. But I started what, 37, 34? Went down to 30, I made $3. Stocks that still could come to fruition with calls. Let's look at some charts. JP Morgan, beach ball underwater. Bingo. Here's another one for you. And I brought this up on TGH. You got to scroll up. I can't go through everything. Disney worked. Okay, let me go something for everybody. Disney, don't get shaken out. XNet, J-Norm for you. XNet, China stock, calls on the Jesus feed. Very, you should know by now. He has sexier things than that. Not a lot of $6 stocks. Hot. Blood work. NVTS. This is the one. I'm telling you about it. You don't have to say anything because they already know about it. You want to know why? It's got calls, volume, range, and now a little bit of technical situation. And it's got a mean reversion situation. That's it. You know it. Lewis, tell me if you like it. J-Norm, tell me if you like it. You know who would know this? Gerard. All open to opinions on Intel here. Wherever McDooley is. Maybe he started his own room. This is one. You know what? Scratch him. He's scratched. Mick, turn. Turn Pharmaceuticals. Where'd I get that from? Obviously, I don't have it on my screen. Calls, healthy. Other behemoths, they're working. Leaps, ARM the whole time, right? ARM leaps. They're still bombing ARM. They don't care when. JD. Again, yesterday started the whole. Oh, here we go. See that? Here we go, right here. Hold on. Step Mike V. Can we delete? I don't know if it's going to work. There you go. I said it. Somebody's still bombing Tesla. Somebody went in for a half a bone on Tesla 700. Intel, busy with calls. Another one, JD. JD's on on the launch pad. And if you saw yesterday, what were they doing in JD? 2027. They said forget 2026. APLD took some rest, huh? You want all these to take rest. These are the ones you buy with these. These are all the Mike V Twitter feed people, Stewie, all the guys. They're going to be looking at APLD. They're going to be looking at ASTS, VG, naturally NBIS, even HP went. I missed this HP. That's a dog driller, by the way. It's not Hewlett Packard. Everybody relax. And by the way, since I'm in the back of my mind is that internet trade, Lewis. These are acting very poorly. Very, very poorly. Look at PVH. What is it going to take for this? The only thing that's going to save this is a rate move, which I don't know if it's going to happen, or a tariff situation. And tariff news, if you will, has been favorable, even to a dog retailer, PVH. Gap stores never recovered. It's no good, Lewis. The retailers. Urban was number one. I'm thirsty. KNX. Coach. All right, coach has got something with the euro. Let's learn. Yeah, I don't care what that is. That's sexy. What is this thing? Euro dollar. Oh, that looks very good, Dale. I'm calling you Dale. Because that looks even more pro than the than being a teammate here. Checking KNX. Not bad. If you want to go to KNX, Lewis, here we go. Another one coming up on the Jesus feed. And I'm in it. I don't want to look at it now, though. Here we go. Mike V. Ooh. Yeah, pull that this thing. Tesla break. Yeah, let's go this green. Top left is what's hot. 10, number one. Buy another 800 10. Don't even care where I get filled. Where I sell it. BE acting very well. Jane Norm. And the US got me. RBRK. Stairs up, elevator down. What happened here? You know what it did? Secondary. They sold stock. The CRWV, a $500,000 put situation. This tech's getting heavy. I wouldn't buy tech here. You know what I like too, Amor? XPEV. I have too much of it though. For spec. I like it. I like the XPEV a little bit. Why do I? I wouldn't get excited except I saw calls go there. Oh, that's got it in it. Push. Here's something. Here was something. Markets keep pumping up. I'm surprised how much they just run it up. Thank you for participating. I appreciate your time. You're definitely going to need a nickname because not even I could. Here was something. Here was something. Gotta have a nickname for that. Anyway, don't time the market. XNet does look good, right, Jeff? And Intel, I think, listen, and by the way, speaking of Jeff, one of his favorite stocks, and I'm not kidding, thank you for participating. I don't want to sound game show host, game show hist. Jane Norm, into Jit Lab. Hedging. I don't know about this stock. I don't know it. I like trading it though. It's a cool symbol. Here we go. Cool. Market's down, taking a touch. Oh, there we go. Right V. Positions exposed. It's all right. Ethereum made nice money into that. Where are my charts? Come on. Bear with me. I apologize. Avago's breaking higher. Where are my charts? Oh, look at that thing. What's this about? This came out of nowhere. Oh, you know what's breaking higher? You got it, Lewis. Avago breaking high into the close. Tandem diabetes. Some of these beaten down plays. Tandem. The fact that NVTS is still up here says something. That's the bottom line to me. I'm aware of the segue, if you will, with Netflix and CEG, but yet I see, does it mean we can't make money with Disney? Does it can't mean that these people freaking pounding Tesla into the close and Citicorp? JP Morgan is the one. You're not long JP Morgan. If you're not long JP Morgan, then you're doing things wrong. I mean, they don't disrespect. I mean, all right, let's look at what's moving. We're active into the close. Percent losers in the last 60 minutes with decent volume. ARAI, high today was 15, cut in half. Sweet Green. You know what? Oh, I wrote this down. This one's for Coach too. You know what's very weak? And it's been having puts. You're right. And Sweet Green made me think of it. Man, they're pounding these tests into the close. McDonald's, these restaurant stocks, out of nowhere, they just dissipated. And retail, nobody's buying anymore. Tesla, look what's going on with my feed here. 500,000, 500,000, 600,000, 500,000. What the hell is going? There's got to be something. Oh, look at this. Tesla. NetEase. Where's JD? You know what's going to work? Chinese stocks. XPEV. 800. Buy another 800 XPEV. What else am I long? Chinese. Ethereum breaking high. Buy more of that. China. JD. Bring it to 12,000 JD. Let's look at more. Why? This stock looks good. A&A taking calls. A&AB. APS. TS. This bio. Until I thought. You remember JD? Well, you've been buying it all morning. All morning. I just don't think. I don't know. There's been better trades. I'm not gonna lie. UPS. There's a lot of action in UPS, Jeff. There's a lot of action in UPS. Kramer's even chirping about it. Oh, that looks great at 102. Great call. I'm still gonna look at that XPO for freight. I sold all my IGT today. Notice some ASTS needs a day. They like this one. They like it a lot. Here, McDonald's Baba. Wouldn't late short of small positions with already small support. All right, here was something. Thank you. Baba. Very pure. Then I looked at NetEase. This is the one I think. I really think it's XPEV. Here's it for you, Jeff. Bottom left. Riot, bottom left. Marriott, Raya highs. Look. That's a little, you can't, it's impossible to, you shouldn't even time the market when things like this are happening, plug. They'll find something to buy when they're doing this type of stuff. They'll find something. Let's look at the Twitter feed and then let me go because I got to catch my breath. Actually, quite thirsty. There you go. Next big trade. This guy's great. Clean, pro. NASDAQ new highs. Public Jesus feed. Intel needs rest from today. Tem, the one. The one. We're in it. You want to know why? We should be. And I've been buying and trading it in and there. Listen, we're all aware of the same things. Believe me. It's a matter if you get in a half a point or a point before or after. Fastly didn't work. Guys, if there's something that you need or more of or less of, you know, more info, come on, let me know. Really. I know I curse too much, but I don't really even curse in real life. Real life. Well, like I think I'm an entity. Believe me, I self-deprecate all the time. SMCI was taking more calls, Lewis. All right, so we're gonna take this what? The six. This is the, by the way, this St. Lucie is also another way, another name for Wall Street Jesus. If you see steam room, it's Wall Street Jesus. So 6,300. All right, there's the you. If you believe in that, and I do, CPI tomorrow. Chop again. I'm thinking of all these other things. JP, there it is. A guest of ours, and by the way, a guest of multiple CNBC, Bloomberg. No, nothing coming close. Larry, guest of ours, but only by coach. Here it is. That's it. Larry. Simple as it comes. That's the one. You must have heard me say if this is what you used to say when we were a broker. This is opportunity knocking on JP Morgan. Very well.